part 4 of verb tense workout for beginners. Choose the correct verb tense. You can use only the simple present, the simple past, the simple future with will, and the present progressive tenses. Here is an example. First, I say, you are a student. Then I say, last year. Then you say, last year you were a student. I say the same thing and you repeat it. Number 31. We buy lottery tickets. Often. We often buy lottery tickets. Please repeat. Number 32. The horses jump over the wall. Right now. Right now, the horses are jumping over the wall. Repeat. Number 33. The company pays him 10 days ago. "10 days ago, the company paid him." Repeat. Number 34. I play the piano in the past. In the past, I played the piano. Number 35. You meet her in 10 days. In 10 days, you will meet her. Number 36. The man drops the ball. Rarely. The man rarely drops the ball. Number 37. I go to the mountain. Presently. Presently, I am going to the mountain. Number 38. Norman looks at his email. Now. Now, Norman is looking at his email. Number 39. Louise takes a lot of photos. Soon. Soon, Louise will take a lot of photos.